great day. Take care. No, thank you for this opportunity. I really love your program. Take care, guys. Hello, excuse me. Can I ask you some questions, please? This is Tangerine TV. Hello, oh, Tangerine TV. Of course. I want to participate. Thank you. Well, what do you do for a living? And how much money do you make per month? Well, I sell different products every day. I am a seller. I have my own store. Oh, that's great. What kind of products do you sell and how much money do you earn? I sell different kinds of products, clothes, toys, ornaments, technology, and so on. My store is in my house, so I work there all day. And about the money, let me see. Well, since I have my own business, I don't have a salary, you know? I don't get paid monthly. I have to work every day, and sometimes I can sell $100 in one day or more. So, for example, in a good day, I can sell more than $1,000, and the next day, I can sell only $20. That's how it works. There is not a specific amount. Oh, I understand. So, do you recommend people to start their own business then? No, I don't know. It depends on them. It is not easy. It's not for everyone. You can work hard one day and earn little money. It's not a very secure job in terms of money. I understand. Well, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. See you soon.